In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here, Ctrader is a professional trading platform for Forex, CFDs, and other financial instruments, available on desktop, web, and mobile. It connects to multiple brokers through a single Ctrader ID, so you can manage all your trading in one place. You'll find advanced charting, custom indicators, CBOTs for automated strategies, quick order entry, and built-in risk and reward tools that help you trade with precision. Let's get you set up. Download Ctrader Desktop from your prop firm's dashboard or directly from ctrader.com. Install it, open the app, then choose Login with Ctrader ID and enter your email to sign in. If you're new to Ctrader ID, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Using the same ID later on web or mobile keeps everything in sync. Once you're signed in, click your profile in the top right and select the prop firm trading account you want to connect. This step ensures you're operating in the correct account, which is especially important if you manage more than one. On the left, click Trade to open your charts and workspace. If you have multiple prop firm accounts, use Switch Account to move between them so you always place orders in the intended account. To open a chart, right-click a symbol and choose New Chart. The chart will load immediately. Use the time frame buttons at the top, like 1M, 5M, or 1H, to switch perspectives and align your analysis with your strategy, whether you're scalping or swing trading. To add technical tools, click Indicators at the top of the chart. You can load popular studies such as RSI or Moving Average and adjust their settings to match your approach. Combining a couple of indicators can help confirm signals without cluttering the screen. When you're ready to place a trade, click New Order, then select Buy or Sell. As soon as the order is live, you'll see stop loss and take profit lines on the chart. Drag these SL and TP lines to fine-tune your risk and reward. As you move them, the platform updates distance and potential outcomes, making it easy to keep your risk consistent and your targets realistic. To monitor active trades, click Positions at the bottom. Here you can track P&L and exposure, and close a position at any time by clicking the X next to it. You can also adjust SL and TP directly from the chart as the trade evolves. If your prop firm allows automation, click Automate, also known as CBOT, at the top to run CBOTs for testing or execution. Always check your firm's rules before using automation. Finally, click History to review results, wins, losses, and overall performance. Use these insights to evaluate your prop firm progress and refine your plan.